Hi everyone, welcome back to Zen with Debby. Today we're going to do a quick morning yoga session. So if you're ready, come at the back of your yoga mats. Allow your knees to be as wide as the yoga mat itself. Big toes are touching at center. And on your exhalation, walk the hands forward. Allow your forehead to come down towards the ground, or maybe relax your forehead on top of a pillow. Connect deeper with the movement of your breaths. Deep inhalation, feel the expansion of your upper body, and a long exhalation as you relax deeper over top of your legs. You can stay here, or we're going to walk the hands towards the right other side of the yoga mat on the next exhalation. And then you can keep your hands either shoulder width apart, or maybe crawl your left hand closer towards the right hand, or bring it on top of your right hand. Allow the hips to push towards the left side of your yoga mat and feel a nice side body stretch at the left side of your upper body. Take one more inhalation, and as you exhale, walk your hands back to center and then out towards the left outside of your yoga mat. Allow your forehead to drop down towards the ground and push your hips towards the right edge of your yoga mat. Maybe walk your right hand closer towards the left hand. Deep breath in, feel that nice opening through the right side of your body, and exhale it out. Take another deep breath in, and then from here we're going to return the hands back to center. So as you exhale, bring your hands back forward, and then we're going to roll up into our tabletop. So exhale as you roll up, bring your knees hip width apart, hands underneath the shoulders, and we're going to move through some cat-cow. So as you inhale, drop the ribs and the belly towards the ground, arch the back, and exhale, round the spine. Inhale as you arch the back, bring the shoulder blades slightly together, and exhale, push away from the ground, bring the chin down towards the chest. Two more. Inhale and exhale, and then one more. Inhale, drop the belly, and exhale, round the spine, last cat position. Then return your spine back to neutral. From here, we're going to reach our right leg out towards the back of the yoga mat, tuck your toes and keep the ball of your foot grounded. From here, make some movement by rolling over the ball of your foot. Go deep into the back of your leg. You can stay here, or maybe thread the needle by reaching your left arm underneath your right arm, and you can keep your right hand grounded, or maybe extend your arm all the way up to the sky. If keeping your right leg up is too much for you today, feel free to place your knee down, hip width apart. Deep breath in, push the left shoulder down into the ground, and exhale as you go deeper. Take another deep breath in, and now we're going to return out of this position. So allow your top hand to come down into the mat. Release your right knee, and then exhale as you come back towards your tabletop, maybe add a wiggle into the hips. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So first, reach your left leg out towards the back of the room and place the ball of your foot down into the mat. Maybe add some movement to go deep into the back of your leg. Either hold here or walk your left hand forward, and then exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left arm for our thread the needle variation. You can extend your left arm up towards the sky. Maybe keep your left leg grounded if that's what you need today. Otherwise, push the heel towards the back of the room. Make sure your navel is tucked in. Deep breath in. And then we're going to come out. So in your next exhalation, bring your top hand back down into the mat. Release your left knee and then slowly press yourself up back into your tabletop. You can come down for child's pose, or maybe follow me for a puppy pose. So keep your hips stacked over top of the knees. Walk the hands out forward so the arms are extended, and exhale, melt your heart down towards the ground. Awesome. Take one more inhalation And on your next inhalation, slowly lift up your forehead a little bit and then exhale as you walk the hands back towards your tabletop position. Wiggle the hips if necessary, and then we're going to come down into a seated position for our fire log position. So from here, make sure your left leg is bent into a 90-degree angle from the knee. Your right foot can be placed in front of your left leg and make sure your foot is flexed. Your right knee is falling down over top of your left foot. If you want to go further, then place your right foot over top of your left knee. And you can choose to stay up straight with your spine or maybe lean over onto your right knee and just hang in there. Make sure your shoulders and upper body are relaxed. Maybe add a beautiful smile on your lips. And just take deep breaths in and out as we go deeper into the lower body. Connect deeper with where you're holding back tension. Now from here, we're going to lift up our chest back to neutral and we're going to cradle onto our right leg. So either hold onto your foot and knee with your hands, keep your leg bent, or hold onto your leg like you're holding a baby and give your baby a little wiggle from left to right to let go of tension from your right hip and lower body. Then we're going to come into our fire log on the other side. So bring your right leg in front of you with a 90-degree angle in the knee. And then keep your left foot flexed and place it either in front of your right leg or place it on top of your right knee. Allow your left knee to fall over top of your right foot. Either stay up straight with the spine or maybe relax on top of your left leg. And just hang in there with a beautiful smile on your face as you take a gentle inhalation. And a long exhalation out. Allow your body to let go of tension in the lower body. Connect deeper with that feeling inside of you. Your next inhalation, lift up your chest to return your spine back to neutral. We're going to cradle the baby, so hold on to your left leg with both hands or maybe hold on to it with your arms like you're holding a baby and just give your leg a nice sway from left to right. Make sure the spine stays straight. Deep breath in and exhale out. And then a few more sways left and right before we're coming all the way down into our cross-legged position. So from here, let go of your top leg and then come into any comfortable position. Make sure your spine is straight and then bring the hands over top of your knees. Close your eyes. Roll the shoulders to the back and down as you connect deeper with the movement of your breaths. Connect deeper with how you're feeling right now. And you can choose to keep your hands over top of your knees or maybe place both hands on top of each other and place them over top of your beautiful heart to connect deeper within. Inhale. And exhale, hold on to that soft, blissful feeling inside of you. Give yourself a moment to thank your beautiful self for taking this time out of your busy morning to do something good for yourself, to take care of your body and of your mental health. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up to the sky for a big reach. Bring the palms of your hands together and exhale down in front of your heart. Take this opportunity to send out gratitude for your amazing self, for doing something good for your body and your mental health. Once you're ready to close off your practice, bow down towards your heart, and I thank you so much for stepping on the mat together with me for this morning yoga flow. I hope you may have a beautiful rest of the day. Namaste. See you soon.